guys, and welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Here is another Kinder Surprise Eggs box from the limited edition of Transformers. So here I got Optimus Prime and Bumblebee from an earlier video, which you can see right here if you click on this box. And I'm gonna unbox this one and see what we can get today. So remember, there are 8 toys to collect. Let's see what we can get.
Yay, I can't wait!
So as the first Kinder Surprise egg, let's see what we got. It has a chocolate milk lining. It's really yummy if you've ever tasted one. And here's a surprise egg. Cool, so that's a new robot. There are the 8 possible robots that you can collect. There are some Autobots and Decepticons. And today we've got Soundwave. Cool, that's a really cool robot. So if you guys know whether he's an Autobot or a Decepticon, let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you like this robot or not. So the arms can move, just like that. And the feet can't. That's okay. There's a second surprise egg. So here is Optimus Prime. He's the leader of the Autobots, and here you can see that the arms and legs can move around. Let's set him up. So there's a little wheel, and you just have to attach the parts. And here we have the really cool Optimus Prime. Now for the final leg. And later I'm going to show you how to mix and match these robots. You can mix up their arms and legs and the heads. So this looks like another Soundwave. Yep, so you can have repeated robots in the same box. So one cool thing you can do is mix and match the parts of these robots. So let's just mix up Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. So here are the arms. You can also change the feet. Here's Optimus Prime and Soundwave. So there are some of the transformations. Here we have Bumblebee wearing the arms of Soundwave. Soundwave is wearing Bumblebee and Optimus Prime's arms. And here we have the really funny looking Optimus Prime. So the more robots you have, the more you can do mix and match and have a lot of fun with this really cool limited edition of Kinder Surprise Eggs.
The best.
So guys, thank you for watching this really cool edition of Kinder Surprise Eggs. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here to Miss Disney Reviews for other fun surprises. Thank you!